Samsung has been rumored to be working on a new version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which is said to have improved cameras, larger screens, and a slimmer body. Some reports suggest it could be named the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, while others mention the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim. Now, according to tipster Ice Universe, known for accurate leaks on Samsung products, the slimmer variant will indeed be called the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim. This device is expected to come with a wider cover screen with a 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio, similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The cover screen is reported to be 6.5 inches, while the inner screen will be 8 inches, making them larger than the screens on the regular Galaxy Z Fold 6. Additionally, the Z Fold 6 Slim will feature a titanium frame, a first for the Galaxy Z series. It is anticipated to be thinner and lighter than the standard Z Fold 6, aligning with foldable phones from Chinese manufacturers. Due to its enhanced specifications, the price of the Z Fold 6 Slim is expected to be higher. The launch is scheduled for the fourth quarter of this year, with an official announcement likely between October and December. There are rumors suggesting that the phone will have limited availability, possibly only in select countries like China and South Korea. In China, a variant called the W25 is expected to be released. Meanwhile, some reports indicate that Samsung may have reduced the thickness and weight of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim by eliminating the S Pen digitizer from the inner screen, which is present in the regular Galaxy Z Fold 6. This change could mean that the upcoming foldable phone may not support the S Pen stylus. While there are speculations about upgraded cameras, concrete details are currently scarce. Now, one burning question that needs an answer is the price of the phone. Speculations were circulating about the Galaxy Z Fold Fan Edition being a more budget-friendly alternative to the $1,899 Galaxy Z Fold 6. However, recent reports suggest that Samsung has decided to abandon this idea. Ideally, the slim version would be more affordable than the flagship model, but it might have to compromise on features beyond just S Pen support. There are conflicting opinions on when the Z Fold 6 Slim will be launched, and its absence from Galaxy Unpacked makes a 2024 release seem a bit unusual. We'll have to wait for updates from Samsung on this. So, what are your expectations for the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim or Ultra? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to stay tuned for more updates on our channel. See you in the next one. Take care.